You know, most YouTube beginners are told, just go record with your phone. Just press record and record with your phone. And if you're like many retired or near retirement creators, that's the beginning of your tech issue. Right off the bat, you're thinking, where's that file at? How do I get this from this phone over to this computer so I can work on it? How does this all work? Well, today I'm going to save you from that big tech headache. Today I'm going to show you a much simpler way to get started on YouTube with equipment you already have, and you're going to be surprised. Let's make YouTube simple. So let's get started. So many of you already heard me say that it's a good idea to get started on YouTube for various reasons, and I have videos about that. That's not what this video is about today. I like to see you get started with your own channel because I know as a side hustle, it can earn you many different side income streams. And I know that it can help you. Besides just making money on YouTube and the various ways that YouTube can help you do that, consider legacy. This life is but a vapor. We're here just for a short while. And your YouTube channel and your videos can be a legacy for your family. Just think about that. I have a grandson. All of this content that I'm producing, he can look back on this years from now. But besides that, let's get into this. Grabbing your phone and making a video sounds easy. Well, it's not so much. So what happens? I shoot this video on my phone. Now the problem is, how do I get this from my phone over to my laptop or over to my computer so I can actually work on the video? I like to do a little bit of editing. Can it be done on a phone? Yes, it can be done on a phone, but it's much more difficult than doing it the way I'm going to show you. So how's this easy way? Guys, you see, here's my phone. I'm not using it to record this video. What I'm using is a webcam. You can just get you a webcam. You can hook it to your computer or to your laptop, and you can move your laptop around and your webcam with you and set it at various heights or whatever as your camera. Right away, people want to ask me, what kind of camera do you use? I'm using a webcam. Now, there are different kinds of webcams, good, better, and best. The one that I'm using now is a more expensive webcam, but you don't have to start with that. You could actually start with the webcam that's in your monitor now or on your laptop monitor now. I wouldn't really recommend that. I would recommend that you get an aftermarket webcam that's a little better quality to shoot your videos. Now, why do I want to do that? When I'm shooting this video like I am right now, the moment that I end this video, it's saving that file to my computer. I don't have to transfer the file around from my phone to the computer. It's saved right directly to my computer. So it's right there ready for me to grab with editing software and edit it. If I don't want to edit it, that's no problem. I don't have to edit it. I can upload that video just the way it is. But I have choices. I have the file already on my computer to work with. Now, I would also recommend another thing, and that's a microphone. Now, you can get these little basic microphones that just sit on your desk and so on, or you can do something like what I have here, this setup with it on a boom arm. Now, why the difference? This one sitting on my desk any bumps on my desk or anything, you'll hear it. You'll hear that noise coming through the mic. But the one on the boom arm, now if I hit it, you can still hear it, but it's much easier to work around, and you can bring it up close to your mouth so the sound is better. But this setup is very simple. Using a webcam to shoot your video, using an external mic to plug into your laptop or your computer for your sound. That's all you need. That's all you need. So what software am I using to record this video? Well, I'm glad you asked. Your computer already has it. It's your camera app. Just go down and type in your camera app and it will pop up. Just put cam and you'll see it fill out. Camera, click it, and up will pop your camera app. If you've got your webcam plugged into your computer and you're running Windows 11 like I am, it automatically recognizes your webcam. It also automatically recognizes your microphone. So you're all set up. You don't have to worry about shooting my video. How do I get the file off of my phone and over onto my computer? None of that, guys. This is the simple way to do it. Use your webcam. Use an external microphone, and you'll get a much better, clearer, cleaner sound. And you'll make recordings, you can make them one after another, and it all saves it in a file on your computer. Now, where does it save it? If you have Windows 11, like I'm running, it typically saves it under your pictures folder, and there's a subfolder under pictures that says camera roll. Camera roll. That's where it saves these recordings from your webcam. So all I need to do, if I'm not going to edit it, I just go to YouTube, click the create button, and upload it right from my camera roll. Now, if that's not the way I want to finish it, if I want to polish this video up somewhat, then I need to use an editing program that I can bring that video into, and then I can edit it. I can make cuts in it. I can do zooms. I can add text. I can add music to it or whatever. And that's what we're going to do on our next one. So consider this YouTube 101. This one's not to talk about the benefits of being on YouTube. If you watch my other videos, you will see that. But this is to combat that tech problem that many of you have built up in your minds. This is not a problem, guys. Forget. You'll hear it all over the web. If you're over 40, start a YouTube channel. It's easy. Just grab your phone. Well, the moment you do that and the moment you shoot that video, the problem's going to be, how do I get that video, right? How do I get the video over to my computer so I can work with it? Well, there's several different ways to do that. And one of the easiest ways is to use a patch cord that hooks to your computer, hooks to your phone. Then you have to go find the files on your phone, and then you have to copy them, transfer them over to your computer. I'm eliminating that whole step. I'm showing you how, very simply, how you can shoot a video using a webcam, using an external mic, have good quality videos, easy to upload to YouTube. Guys, I'd really like to see you get started on YouTube. I know that it can help you. There's many things, tips and tricks that you need to learn to get your YouTube channel off the ground, and I can help you with that. So like I said, consider this YouTube 101. If you have questions, please ask them in the comments section. I will put the webcams, the different microphones and so on that you can use down in the description below. But Guys, you already have these things. If you're using a laptop, you can be assured you have a webcam in your laptop. Most do. And a lot of computer monitors also have a webcam already built in. I would definitely recommend, though, upgrading the sound from the microphone that's in your computers up to an external mic. So, guys, if this is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose, and I will see you on my next video.